All right, so this is the VANMASS Easy Clip car mount. Make life simple, not a lot going on the outside. This is the CTE Z11 model, and we'll go ahead and open this on up. The right on top, VANMASS, the actual phone mount. You can adjust it to your phone size and just press that button to release it. So you have your phone secured, you leave, you press the button, you grab your phone. Nice. It's cardboard. This is the vent clip. So with the vent clip, you would take this little lock here, put on here, and pop into there and tighten it, and then put this on your vent and close. And then that's it for the box. We got a mount here for this that you can put on your dash, user's manual, and LCD cleaning wipes. This has a couple of different ways to fold. You can loosen this, fold this however you would like, retighten it of course, and then also you can loosen this to bring this out more. Now this works the same way. Throw your lug nut on and then pop that into place. And you just tighten this so it's nice and tight. Bingo. Then you just take your phone, pop it in, and look at that. Now you're up and running. Done with your day. Press your button, grab your phone. Can't beat the simplicity of this. The bottom of this, where the sticker just came off at, is very, very sticky. I don't want to stick it to my table. That's why I'm leaving the sticker on. But you would put that to your table. You would turn this here to lock it, which would bring that suction in from this suction cup here. And then this thing should not go anywhere. So that'll do it for the VANMASS Easy Clip car mount.